Koren.
Rabindra's gone the...
He's got the mount here, and look at the movement. It's still early in the fight. And Changran Koren, though, is eating a couple of shots. He's eating a lot of shots.
Oh,
a lot of shots. Rabindra Dutt is teeing off on Changran Koren. Changran doing a good job defending this. But there's only so much you can do.
Rabindra has unleashed the beast in him.
The chin on Changran Koren, though. And look at that, the awareness. He's got a hold of that leg.
The right leg of Rabindra Dutt. Oh!
Look at that again, trying to turn it around, but Rabindra Dutt with superior positioning, landing those shots to the side of the head, controlling his posture.
Well, that's exactly the same
thing that Changran normally does.
And he's been doing it in the last 4 fights against Kanto.
Oh, look at the welt that's formed on the right-hand side of Changran's face. Man, he's taken a lot of shots.
Changran looks rocked.
Oh, no, Changran looks a little hurt still. He's still a little hurt because Rabindra Dutt landed at least 20 or 30 big shots, and props to him. And again, man, there we go. We've never seen Changran Koren being Changran Koren because it's like a verb at this point.
He's getting outclassed
He's flattened him out in front of his corner, and now big shots here. Big shots. Changran Koren is in trouble early on in this round. It's just the first round. He's taken so much punishment, and that's what we said. I talked about it. Wrestlers like Changran Koren have not spent. They don't like to be on their backs. This is a different position for him. It's different to see how he's going to react. And Dutt is having his way with him because the amount of punishment he's taken.
Let me tell you something.
Oh, this fight is going to be over anytime now. The kind of punches. Referee Mark Goddard.
Team actually manifested this. They made a rap video wherein Rabindra is knocking out Changran Koren.
It's not over yet. It's not over yet. He's still in it. But Changran Koren has taken so much damage that Rabindra Dutt he's holding on to the right hand, and he's trying to get up, but Rabindra Dutt is trying to choke him out. I know what he's trying to do. The desperation move here from Changran Koren, very smart, because he was almost finished.
It's been for Rabindra Dutt.
My God, dominant is an understatement, man.